Regardless of gender, research suggests that ADHD is the same in women and men, although its symptoms may present differently between individuals. So with women with ADHD, they may manifest it in a variety of different ways, such as difficulty focusing, difficulty managing time, disorganization, restlessness, impulsivity, being impulsive, inability to prioritize tasks, chronic fatigue, headaches, muscle tension. And women often show inattentiveness rather than hyperactivity. And additionally, they might be more prone to have anxiety and depression. And men tend to express ADHD more externally through rule breaking and aggression. And also women might exhibit those traits, but it's more commonly experienced through racing thoughts, speaking before thinking, talking quickly. And also we've got hormones in the mix, which can exacerbate the ADHD symptoms. Most research, unfortunately, has just been done on males, and that means that women are therefore often misdiagnosed with anxiety, depression, or bipolar disorder. So what can we do to help ourselves and others? We need to educate ourselves and others on how ADHD affects women differently. And we need to seek a doctor who specialises in this area. And then by getting the support we need, we can help improve our own self-esteem and overall well-being. So let me know if this video helped you, if you felt educated by it. Did you know these symptoms are in women? So I've recently realised that I have a lot of these symptoms. Forgetting things, appointments. I have to have a piece of paper next to me telling me what I'm doing, because I'll go on the computer and I'll forget within minutes what I've done. I'll do my daughter's hair and then go, come on, Mikita, let's get your hair done. And I've already done her hair. I've just done it. And I can't remember because the short-term memory is affected with ADHD. So if you have any of these symptoms, just know that you're not alone. You're not going mad. So you may have ADHD. It might be worth getting checked out at the doctor if that's something you want to look to. Having said that, there is a 3-year wait or longer for the doctors. So there is private things you can do as well. A friend of mine's gone private. It costs, I think, about £200 to get an assessment. Again, there's a big waiting list for that, but not as long as 3 years. And if anyone's watching this and does have ADHD, or think they have had ADHD, or think they have ADHD, or think they may have it but not been diagnosed, let me know. And let me know if this video is useful. Thanks for watching. This is Sandhya.